Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Echo Show 15. It has a resolution of Full HD. It is a 15.6-inch smart display with Alexa built in. Alright, so we got our Echo Show 15. I had just got the device itself. It does come with a kit option. You've got the tilt stand. Comes with a Blink Mini and Echo Show 5, also a Ring doorbell. So right here is our Echo Show 15. It is 15.6 inch. So it's just like any of the Echo devices except for this one's a little bit bigger. And it does look like a picture frame. It has Alexa built in. So you can manage your daily activities, your post notes, your calendar. So first off in the box, you can see the device itself. I'm going to put that to the side and get into the contents that are in this box. So first off, you see a little letter. It says, Hola, hello, bonjour. This is your user manual. This tells you everything about the device, how to set it up, how to use your to-do lists, how to connect your other devices. You could do set up Alexa. You have this little bracket right here. This will actually go onto the wall. So if you want to mount this on the wall, there's the bracket. It does come with a power cord. So right here is your power cord. And it does come with some screws. So if you want to install this onto the wall, you already have the hardware. The only thing you need is just a screwdriver. You have some warning information. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into the device. You can see right here, it kind of looks like a picture frame. This little dot right there is the camera. On the top, you have your buttons. That if you slide to the left, it will hide your camera. You've got your mute button, volume up and volume down. So the mute button, if you don't want to listen to Alexa, you can mute her so she can't hear you. And on the back, you have speakers on the left and the right side of the device. Right in this little hole, you have the power button that goes right in there. They have like a little slit at the bottom so you can let the cord hang down from there. So we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic film. So now you can see that the camera button right here, the mute, the volume up and volume down. You can personalize this with different family IDs. So right there is the power cord, and you do have a port right here. So now with the included bracket to hang on the wall, you would flip this and then the arrow would point up. You'll slide it in like this, move it all the way up, it'll lock into place. And as long as you got it up, slipped in there, so the cord comes down here, it should not fall. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up, making sure that it is secured in there. And as you can see, it is secured. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on my wall so I can show you what it looks like. I'm going to install this bracket on my wall. So now right here we have it installed into my wall. Now it's saying it's going to get my device ready. It has to set up a moment. So now it'll be clicking on a Wi-Fi network. It's asking what language. We're going to put United States English. Searching for my network. So now I got to click on my network, enter my login details, and once that's done, it will say it's connecting. So if you selected connect to your Amazon account, it should automatically connect. If not, you'll have to enter your login details, which I had to do. So now it's asking me for my daylight time. You have this section right here, or you can go back into the menu, click on North America. Scroll down, click on United States, which will take you down here. I gotta scroll down to Phoenix, United States. And click on Next. Now it's gonna load my information. It's gonna say, when do I want to set this? I'm gonna set it as my living room. Now it's loading all the details. Now for my pictures in the background, I can use the Amazon Photo, Nature, Travel. I'm going to go ahead and use my Amazon Photos. The great thing about this is basically a digital photo frame. So I have other photos in here. I'm going to go ahead and click on my photos. I'm going to click on next. Now it's got to update. This had to update. It took me about 5 minutes to get the device completely updated. Do not unplug this while it's updating. So now I can say you can help monitor your home. Click on next. Now it's telling me all set. It says welcome to Amazon Sidewalk. Got a little information on here about Sidewalk. Then you click on next. It's loading. Help find things with Sidewalk. You can find pets, improve your... Now it's offering a free trial of your Echo Show. You can play any song with Echo Music. I'm clicking on no thank you. You can listen to audiobooks, podcasts, and more with Audible. I clicked on no thank you. Now it's almost completely done. Now it should pop up the screen right here. Now you can set the widgets, you can set the home screen. You can set up your Ring doorbells if you had your Ring doorbell.
I can help you find a book to read. Try saying, what should I read next?
What should I read next?
One moment while I'll find a selection of books for you. Here's a book you might like, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Classic Seuss by Dr. Seuss.
So now I asked her to open up my Ring doorbell, and it is taking me to my Ring doorbell. You can pinch it to zoom. You can unmute it. You can mute it. You can turn the volume up outside. You can turn the volume on and off. You mute on and off. So now when you want to go out of there, you just click on the X at the top. Or you can tell her to take you back to the home screen, which it did. Now you've got your settings here at the top. You can set the brightness all the way up. You can go adaptive brightness, sunset effect, which I do already have adaptive brightness. And then you got sunrise effect. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. You can see the glare off my TV in the background. Sorry about that. So now I'm going to go back into the settings. I'm going to personalize this a little bit so you can use notes. You can personalize calendars. You've got other widgets. So when you want to change your widgets, you can go into the widget section. So right here on the top right, it has my Ring doorbell. If you click under the widgets, you can widget gallery. You can rearrange your widgets. So right here is your widgets. You have your suggestions, your calendar. You've got favorite photos, your games, your maps. You have music and audio. You've got to-do list. You got weather, what this is. You got food. So you have a lot of widgets in here. So in order to get other widgets, say for instance like Skype or anything, you actually have to go into the Amazon app and click on communications in order to get that. So if you want to remove any widgets, you want to change them. So with this one here, you can remove. You can change them, you can add more widgets, so I decided to move it. So now when I click this button here, it actually took me to the whole screen of my photo background. So now not only is it a great device for your Alexa, you can also use this as a digital photo frame, which is really nice because it gives you a 15.6-inch screen display. You can see that it is super lightweight. It is super thin. It does not sound really loud like the Amazon 10 second generation, although that the speaker is not as big as the other one. But this one sounds really good, so I'm going to go ahead and try some music. Alexa, play some classical music. Alexa. Alexa. Volume 10. Play Doja Cat.
Shuffling songs by Doja Cat on Amazon Music.
So as you can see that the speaker on this is not so bad. If you're definitely looking for an Echo device, I would definitely say look at this Echo Show 15. It does stream your favorite videos on a 1080p screen. Videos like Prime Video, Netflix, Hulu, Sling, ABC News, CBS News, Amazon Music, Spotify, as well as Apple Music. You can turn this 15.6-inch display into a work of art. It is designed to protect your privacy. It does have a little button at the top that you can close out your camera. You have easy steps for wall mounting. You can mount it on the wall. They do have stands for them, so if you don't want it on the wall, you can put it on a table. The materials are 35% post-consumer recycled plastic, 99% recycled aluminum and devices, 50% post-consumer recycled plastics and power. It is energy clean. It has a nice mode. You have 2 different modes. You can change it on landscape or portrait. With its 15.6-inch full HD 1080p, so it does have a 5 megapixel camera. So the thing about this one is the other ones have bigger cameras, like I think the Echo Show 8 has a 13 megapixel, but it doesn't look too bad. And the great thing about this, it does look like a photo frame, and it's digital. So not only do you get all these extra features, you also have a digital photo frame for all your photos. I would definitely say if you're looking into the Echo Show devices, I would definitely say check this one out. I highly recommend this one.